In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use mic on your Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a microphone on your Xbox is super simple, regardless of the type of microphone that you have. As long as it can be detected by your Xbox Series X, you will be able to use it, so you can talk with others on party chat, over voice chat, and it is extremely simple. So depending on the specific microphone that you want to use, you will have to connect it in different ways. Usually, if you have a headset that contains a mic, all that you have to do is plug the USB into one of the available USB ports on the console itself. So just plug the USB cable in there and you should be good to go. If you have a different connection or if you have a different sort of microphone, then you might have to use additional adapters. For this video, I cannot cover every single variation of headset. Sometimes you might also be able to connect the headset plug into the actual controller, but like I said, it's up to you to see which microphone you have and connect it accordingly. Once the microphone is properly connected to the controller or the console, you should be good to go. What I recommend now is that you press the Xbox button on your controller to bring up the Xbox guide. In there, you will have plenty of options related to audio. So go over to audio and music, and the first thing to check is to see if headset mic is toggled on. If this is toggled off, then the microphone simply is not going to work. At this point, you should be good to go. Others will be able to hear you. However, you can go over some additional settings, such as mic monitoring rate, which allows you to hear your own voice so you can use it as feedback to control the levels of your microphone. But as long as it is enabled here and properly connected to the console, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a mic on your Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.